Hi, it's Hanny with another junk journal embellishment challenge number 19, and the prompt is what was it, a tea, and I'm going to make a tag. I wrote it down because I didn't do that yet. Tea, well, tea could be the letter T, but I'm going to make something about that tea. I found some illustrations, some pictures. This is from a painting from Philippe Rousseau, and the title is 5 o'clock. I like that. Here's a cup of tea. I have some rub-ons and some, well, cutouts. Don't know what they are. I have a few cups. Don't know if I'm going to use that. Well, some background paper. Oh no, I didn't need background papers. Oh yeah, and I have a tea bag. I don't know what to do, but I think I'm going to use, this is my glue book. I'm gluing some scraps on magazine papers. When I'm not in the mood for complicated things, I'm just gluing some scraps on magazine papers, and I think I'm going to use a piece of that for my tag. I think I'm going to cut a piece out of this page. Just tear it out. I have no clue what to do, really, I don't. Oh, I like those teacups. I think I'm going to cut them out. Just fussy cut. Like so. Don't know which part of the, I think I'm going to use not that busy part. It's a bit too busy. I think I'm going to use this part. Could use it that way. A tag, I said, yes. Well, something like that. I have to cut it. Yeah, it's A4. So I'm going to cut this end. Oh, it cuts very well. Oh, it does open the other way. I get used to that, because I'm used to that it opens this way, but this one opens this way. The width. Like I said, I have something with cutters. When I'm in a thrift store and there's a cutter, well, I buy it. I don't know why, because I have so much cutters. This is a good one. Something like that, I think. Let's do that. Yeah. So, oh yeah, I have to do it the other way around, of course. Well, I can do it with this one. I want to have it cut a piece off here. Wow, could be a big tag. something like that. This can be another tag in the future. So this one. And now, yeah, what will I do now? Another cup? No. This one? No. I think this is enough. And then maybe with a tea bag, something with a tea bag. Do I have another tea bag? Yes, I have. Do I want a tea bag with the label on it or not? I like this label though. I like this label. Oh, I will cut some thingies off, some corners. Oh, I have to glue the back because it's a bit flimsy now. I have to glue something on the back. Let's do that first. Do I have a bigger piece? Could do this piece. It's from Clear Stamp. Could glue that on. There's a tear, not a tear, but a fold in it, but well, I don't think I care. So I will, oh, from that stamp. I'll use my glue stick. This. And I think I'm going to sew around the tag. Because I like that. So now it's a good tag. Oh, I have to do it that way. So my teacups, I want to put a hole in there. Something like this. Yeah, I think it's okay. I have some reinforcers, hole reinforcers, so one there and one at the back. Something like that. These are white, but I distressed a few, so they are not white anymore. So I will distress the edges later. I can't talk anymore. I think I'm going to use the label as a thingy in the hole. to have something more on the tag, of course, but I don't know what. Tea. Maybe that, or this one. Tea is happiness, happiness in a cup. I think I have to think for a while, so I'll be back later. You just don't know. Well, I glue it on. I just glue things on, and then we'll see what will come out. I have days then everything goes very smoothly, and then I like what's coming out, but sometimes you haven't those days. Well, I like that. Maybe a piece of this paper. Maybe I have some washi tape. Don't know. Just to give it some color. The teacup without the tea in it. Well, the tea is in the pot. Like that. Just like so. They are teacups, that's obvious. And then this teapot with the text. Oh, I should pull that out. Now it's on, I like it. And now, what shall I do now? Use this? No, I'm not going to use that. I don't know what to do more. Maybe some washi tape. I'll be back. Well, it's not very colorful, but I found this washi tape, and well, maybe we can imagine it as some tea leaves and tea roses, and I don't know. Just a piece here and there, or to give it some, well, something. And I think I'm going to sew around it. Just a little piece over here. And the teacup. Like so. Well, there should be a little cup over there. But yeah, I don't have a little cup. Yeah, in the painting, but No. I'm not going to do that. Just tear a piece off. And this. Well, I have had better days. I will distress the edges and then I think I'm going to sew around the whole tag. Could glue this on. But I don't know what to do with the rope, with the twine, well, you know what I mean. I glue it on, why not? Just gluing it on, I could do it loose, but I think I like this more. And I still don't know what to do with the piece of twine. I don't know. I don't know. Oh. Something like that. Could cut it off. I cut it off. I'm sorry, but I don't know what to do with it. I just don't know. It's not going to happen today. No. It's not going to happen today. It's going to be a tag. And it's not a very ugly tag, but I don't know. I don't have that feeling, you know. You know what I mean? And hey, that's beautiful. I like it. Oh yeah, I should sew around it. It's very difficult for me to go on with it when I don't like it very much. I think we all have that sometimes. Should I sew around it? No, I don't think I do. It is what it is now, and I think it's okay this way. Yeah, I leave it this way. I like this, the little tea labels on it. I like the teacups. Well, this is my tag for my Junk Journal Embellishment Challenge number 19. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.